So we are finally getting our fencing together. It'll be 4 years in June since we've been on this property, and we have to get our fencing done. So I have put up I put up about half of the flags so we know where the post holes are gonna go so we can start this fence. Let me show you what I've done so far. So the first post is going to go approximately here. We still want it to be able to pull our cars up to the house. So we'll still be able to park here. The first row will go right here. And then we go around. The puppies pulled out some of them on this side, but I still have a pretty good idea of where they go. I still have to clear a little bit of sagebrush so that we can get the hydraulic auger in here. And this will be a gate right here. And then it goes all the way around here, kind of in a circle. It's not going to be a perfect circle, but it's going to do what it's going to do. And we are also going to redo the chicken run. So we're going to extend the chicken run from where it is right there to where you see these flags. And then we'll extend it out a little bit this way, which means I need to cut back some of this shrubbery so we'll have room to put the auger in. And it goes around here. So we are going to extend the chicken run out this way a bit. We're going to have a door in between the chicken run and the dog pen so we can get to the other side. And we're going to use the dog pen as this part of the fence. Say hey to the puppies. Hey, puppy girls. We're going to extend it to this side. So this run is part of the fencing. And then we are going to go through here, around the mound where the Wallapini dirt is. That's a whole nother project. Down here to here. Then it's going to go straight down this way. I pulled out a couple of pieces of sagebrush, but I still have way more to go. I also pulled up all of the cactus that's in the area so we won't be stepping on cactus. So I still have to do all the flags around this area. here is one big bush. And when you tie the chain around enough, it yanks it right out with all the roots. I am excited and I'm actually having fun doing all of this hard work. I just love when the weather is beautiful, when I have the opportunity and the energy to do these things, because I love being outside. I love using my body, I love getting shit done, and I love accomplishing my goals foremost. So I can't wait. Watch me have fun doing crazy yard work.